mean I can't buy any more makeup? Ugh. Hello, I'm Anne and welcome to Chronically Beautiful, where we are trying to live our best life, even though we probably don't feel like it. Today, we're going to do another haul video. I know that you love them, and it is going to be another E.L.F. haul. And this is a very special haul because it is my final haul this month. I'm putting myself on a no-buy month for makeup. So this is like my last hurrah, you guys. My final chance to share my love of buying makeup with you. I will see you in February. But anyways, if that sounds like something that you're interested in, go ahead and stick around. But please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to ring the bell so that you're notified of all my future uploads. All right, let's dive right in. Okay, you guys, so yes, I am putting myself on a no-buy for January just for makeup. Today is January 1st, 2020, and I ordered this, I think, the day after Christmas, or maybe Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, I don't know. But it was a super sale. So I do E.L.F. hauls occasionally because they always have really good sales, and E.L.F. does make great makeup. They have a lot of excellent products, but some of them are worth the higher price, some of them are not. They have so many amazing sales that I always wait, and then I do just a big order when there's a good sale. And at this point, I think now I have ordered and own just about everything from E.L.F. that I wish to own until they come out with some new things. So even though I won't be doing any makeup hauls this month, because I'm no buying, I won't be doing any E.L.F. ones probably for a while, because this is pretty much it on what I want from them. So, all right, let's just dive into this box and see what we've got. First, we have the E.L.F. Foundation Serum with Goji Berry, SPF, and sunscreen. And I actually did pick this up at Marshall's for $4.99. I did not order it on the site, and it is in light medium. I thought this would be a light, easy, slap it on kind of foundation because it is a serum, which I'm all about. I'm not about a big, thick, takes an hour situation. This also came from TJ Maxx. I think it was $2.99. It is the E.L.F. Primer Infused Blush, and it is in the shade Always Fiery, and holy Lord, is it fiery. It is like hot orange, and I don't have a single color like this in my collection, and I thought, why the heck not? Just go light. That's what I'll be doing. All right, super excited about this. Now, I was really interested in this brush set, and they had this set that came with the brushes and some lip stuff and a highlighter, or they had just the brushes alone, and it turned out to be a way better deal to do it this way. So this is the Nabela Collection. You are beautiful, work it, love it, own it. Comes with the powder brush, highlighting brush, stipple brush, flat eyeliner brush, crease brush, and gleaming loose highlighter, the Naharika Glow, and a lip cocktail kit in Mayra Nude. And I'm so sorry if I'm mispronouncing any of these things. I'm assuming this person is an influencer, and I am terrible that I don't know that. Nabela Noor.
Oh, that's me.
So I'm gonna have to look into her and check out her channel. I'm assuming she has a channel. So let's look at these items. Oh, it also came with a little makeup bag because I need more of those, but I do love them. Okay, so here's the little bag. It's got a pretty little design here. XO Nabela Noor, and it's like an envelope kind of thing. So not really something you can like zip up and have your stuff in there, but you know, you can keep some little items in here. I like these actually for like keeping photos in and stuff like that. So nice little bag. You could even use this as a little clutch purse. And here is everything that's in there. So the brushes, oh my goodness, these are nice. They're really soft. I love E.L.F. brushes. They're so affordable, and they're just really nice brushes. So this one is like a pointy powder brush. They have a lot of give. They're floppy. Oh, these babies are floppy. So depending, you're not gonna have like a ton of control with these, but it would be a nice way to wash some products onto your face. Okay, so that's like a powder brush. This I would call like a setting powder brush, and holy goodness, do I love this. This is gonna be like my new favorite setting powder brush. Wow, that's so soft on the under eye. Yes. This is the stippling brush, and I like this. This is a nice feeling brush. So this one is a little stronger. It doesn't have that same give, but it's also not like so dense that it's gonna pull at your skin. So this will be nice for foundation or concealer. And then we have this crease brush, which is a little floppy, maybe for a transition shade that you don't need a ton of control over, we could use this. And then this is, they're calling it a flat eyeliner brush, but I think you could use it to put like a shimmer shadow on your eyelid. Nice. And they're all this bright pink, which is so fun. I don't have anything like that. I definitely have a billion brushes. I do not need any of the brushes I ordered, but what can I say? I'm addicted. Okay, and then it came with the Nabela Noor Mayra Nude Liquid Lip, and that is just a really pretty nude shade. Let's see. Ooh, love that. We'll see if it dries down quickly. All this packaging is really pretty. I wonder where she's from, because it's got all this kind of almost like henna art looking stuff on the packaging, which is so pretty. And a matching lip liner, which is quite a bit more brown than the lip color. Don't know that I'll use that. That probably will not look great on me. And this is super nice. So it's got one of these little things, and then you turn it to open it, and then you can tap out the highlighter. And it is like a goldy nude kind of color, really pretty. Ooh, oh, yes. That is going to be awesome. Let's put some of that on because my cheeks aren't glowy enough right now. Let's just go for it. We'll use this little setting brush. Ah! That just like took this to a serious next level. It was already, holy God! Ah! Oh my gosh. I am on fire. My face is on fire. That is how bright that is. Holy, holy, holy Lord. God of power and might. That is a powerful highlight, you guys. If you want a holy God gleaming highlight, this is it. If you want it to really blast your face off, layer it with the Anastasia metallic highlighters. What? Okay, that's a little much, but we're gonna keep going. All right. I got a lot of stuff that I've been like wanting to try, but I'm like, I don't know. Some of it's like the kind of stuff you sometimes see at Dollar Tree, like their original kind of packaging from way back in the day when everything at e.l.f. was $1 and it was all kind of questionable. So these are a couple of those items. This is the Prime and Stay Finishing Powder and the Cover Everything Concealer. And they are both in the light shades. e.l.f. does not do any animal testing, by the way. So if that's something that's important to you, this is, you know, these are great people. So I'm not going to open these yet because I'm not ready for either of them, but I'm going to give them a whirl. They have got a lot of setting powders and things that are really nice. And the one that I wanted that Noelle always talks about, I can't remember now, they didn't have it. So I thought maybe I'll try this one instead. I did get a couple of more brushes. So I got the e.l.f. complexion brush, which I've been wanting for a while, which is just this guy. It's the black handle. The white handle brushes are like their cheapest ones, and then I think they have the ones with clear handles that are the most expensive, and the black ones are sort of in the middle. And this is a nice for, you know, putting on powders, bronzers, even blushes. This is just a nice soft brush. It's a little wobbly, floppy like these pink ones. And then I also got, and I want to say these brushes, everything, you guys, was so cheap. Everything in this box, I want to say I did not pay more than $30 for all of this. This is just the angled blush brush, just your basic angled blush brush. I think these were like 66 cents, these two brushes. So I'm like, well, I'm not gonna just leave them there for 66 cents. Got something else that is totally different that I'm excited to try. It is the Frizz Taming Hair Shine Sheets 60 Pre-Moistened Cloths. I'm not gonna open it and use it right now because my hair is really puffy and I kind of want to keep it that way. So it says weightless shine, static reduction, refreshing scent. Dispense one wipe from the package, unfold and gently wipe over hair, root to tip. My hair always has all these little, you can see them now, but it doesn't look so bad because everything's big in my hair. But when my hair is stick straight all the time, then I have all these little things that are everywhere. So I'm hoping these will help with that. Got some Stardust Glitter Eyeliner in the shade Seafoam, which is super pretty. Okay, so this is just pretty much coming out clear, but when the light hits it, I guess, it does a little something. It's kind of a bummer. I was hoping it would be more like liquid eyeshadowy, like thicker and would hang on a little bit more. This is just gonna be, this is more like a topper, I would say. The Oil Control Blotting Powder for fair to light skin tones. It's just like on this search to find like the best setting powder for me. And I'm not super oily, but I do get a bit going on in the old T-zone, like most of us. So this might be something cool to keep in my desk at work to give me a little help. Oh, it comes with like a old school little powder puff. It is very, it's almost translucent, I would say. And this little area here. Looks like this. It's like the classic e.l.f. compact packaging. I'll keep you posted. Should I do like a whole face of e.l.f. video? That might be fun. Yet another powder. This is the Beauty Shield Loose Powder. Antioxidant enriched skin protection in sheer natural antioxidant armored setting powder. So again, always looking for the best setting powder that I can find. And I do really like their Beauty Shield. I love their primer. I have the setting spray. I use an under eye cream serum thing. Really like that. So I'm looking forward to giving that a try. This is the Solid Sponge Cleaner. The Solid Cleanser deep cleans sponges and brushes, helping to remove cleanser and dirt. The Solid Cleanser includes a travel-friendly case, enriched with charcoal to help detoxify. Is this just a bar of soap? Is this just a round bar of soap? Because that's what I usually use. Wet sponge or makeup brush and massage across cleanser, creating a lather. Rinse with warm water and set aside to dry. Allow cleanser to fully dry before placing back in travel case. This is just a bar of soap. This is a circular bar of soap. And it doesn't, well, it smells okay. Yeah, okay. So yeah, circle bar of soap. I'm thinking about doing a video of how I wash my brushes and sponges. This probably won't be in it, but I'll give it a try. I do use a bar of soap in that process, so maybe I'll just use this bar. This is the Beautifully Bare Cheeky Glow Blush, and it is a cream blush, I think. I'm pretty sure. It's in the color Soft Rose, pretty little package. And it's just a cream blush in a pretty little package. But I have heard that they have nice cream blushes, so I did get a couple here to give them a whirl. The other one I got was this one, the e.l.f. Cream Blush Palette. Holds 4 gorgeous shades to mix and match throughout the year for custom blended color. I do love cream products, especially when I'm in a hurry and or my skin is extra dry, which is how I've been feeling lately. And it has these 4 shades. It does not list the name of the shades, but it does look like I got duped here because these 2 look pretty much the same. Dagnabbit, that's all right. So cream blush, love it. I went like blush crazy here. Like the sale, dude, you guys, these were like $1. So I got this one, which is the blush palette in dark, and then this one in light, so that we've got just like a variety of all of the e.l.f. blushes that they make. Wondering, did they have a medium and it was just not available? Oh, wow, okay. So very different looking than what is on the package. This looks very orange, and this is clearly very, very pink with this situation here, not sure. There are 3 mattes, and this guy down here is a shimmer. This is really pink. Wow. And then this one is a little more orange, the dark one. And I don't know that these are just for dark skin. I don't think so at all. Here they are next to each other. I feel like maybe we have some doubles, but no, I don't know. Maybe these 2 where my pinkies are kind of close. But nice shades. I like the idea of just blushes in a palette ready to go. And I do have quite a few of these little e.l.f. 4-pan palettes, including this bronzer because I did not own this bronzer palette. I have two highlight ones, I think, and something else, and now I have these blush ones, and oh, I have a cream foundation one, and you know how it goes. You're like, well, I just want to get all of them. I'm not proud, but that's what's happened here. So this is the E.L.F. bronzer palette, and here it is. These are the bronzers, and they're actually all really cool shades, which is interesting. So this is really more of a contour palette, I would say, than bronzer, because they're all really gray. That's interesting. Two of them are shimmer, two of them are matte. I think that this could be pretty cool. And we're almost to the bottom of the box here. And I didn't save anything interesting for last, so don't get excited. And yet again, more blush. I'm out of control with the blush. This is a matte blush duo. And it won't focus, I'm sorry. Takes a little minute here. And the shade is called Rosy Flush. That just makes me think of a toilet.
Well, hey, folks.
And, oh. I'm not feeling that. What is with this weird shade right here? How is that blush? That's not blush. That's like a setting powder. What in the heck is that? What in God's name? And it's matte, so it's not even like it could be a highlight, right? What is this? This is legit like a setting powder. I'm sorry that it's so light. Who is that blushing besides Jeffree Star and Edward Cullen? Come on. And then the other one is just like a pretty nude peachy blush. But next to this thing, it just looks so drab. Aw, good thing you were less than $1. Ooh, and broken. You know how it goes when you order crap online, especially when it's on sale. Okay, and the final thing that I paid for, there's a free gift in there, is this blending eye brush. And their cheapest brushes are the ones with the white handles, but this is a really nice little brush. It's really nice for like outer corner, outer V stuff. It's small, it's short, it's densely packed, but it still has some give to it so that you have, you know, can do some little corner work. I love this brush for that, and I have a couple of them. Here's what I will say though, do not leave this to soak in water for even 5 minutes, because the paint will crack right off of this, and then the Farron, is that what it's called? This thing, the metal thing will come off. So these are really cheap. This was less than $1. So just buy a few when you buy them, and don't leave them soaking in water. When you clean this one, you just need to clean it real quick and dry it off. And then the final thing I got was a free gift with purchase, and it's the E.L.F. Tone Adjusting Face Primer. And it is, I do have a few different ones of the E.L.F. primers that come in this little pump. And I haven't tried this one yet. The multi-purpose primer preps your skin and fills in fine lines so makeup goes on evenly. And it's that kind of lavender color, so it's supposed to counteract redness. So we'll give this guy a whirl. And that's it, you guys. That is my last haul for a month. And I'm really excited about these brushes. I am really excited about the world's flashiest shishing highlighter. I'm nonplussed about the blushes. I was like, I had higher hopes than this. So we'll see how they work in real life. Who needs this many blushes, let alone the 700 I already have? I'm out of control. This is why I'm on a no-buy, you guys. This lip is really pretty. Really psyched to use these different powders. Psyched about this new foundation. I think I will do a whole full face of E.L.F. I have everything I need to do that now. And yeah, I'm really excited about these little hair sheets. I'll keep you posted on those. And the bar of soap, the fancy bar of soap, should help with cleaning. And this is just really pretty. I'm happy with that. All right, you guys. So thank you so much for going on this adventure with me. I hope that you enjoyed it. And don't forget to keep coming back. Take care of you. What do you mean I can't buy any more makeup? Ugh.